Kinumpirma na ning Philippine Embassy king Tel Aviv, ametong yakaring mete king giyera king Israel ing 42 anyo sa lalaki at tao Pampanga. May anguya naman biye ing metong pang 33 anyo sa babae at tao naman Pangasinan. Bukod ka rin may banggit na impormasyon, alaning aliwa pang binyeng detalye ing Philippine Embassy king mera pa press conference ngayon abak na ning Miyerkules, October 11.
The female is 33 years old and 6 years working here in Israel. And she's from Pangasinan. And she's newly married. But the husband is in the Philippines. And the other one is male. He's 42 years old. He comes from Pampanga. And he's married.
Agpangkaring opisyalis ng Philippine Embassy king Tel Aviv, may angula biyering adwang Pilipino pauli daring pamanataki agewa daring Hamas militant group anyang Sabado, October 7.
Yung isa po ay habang pinepwersa ng militante mga terorista yung kanilang pinto. Pagbukas po ng pinto, niratrat po yung mag-amo, yung caregiver at saka yung kanyang amo. Yung isa po ay pinatay pero hindi po namin alam kung anong circumstance. Pero isa po siya doon sa mga natangay ng Hamas sa kasagsagan po ng pananalasa ng mga terorista.
Agpangkang Ambassador Pedro Juni Lailo Jr. Kasabi na nala ring pamilya na ning miyango biyeta mong kabalen.
In the most difficult phone call in my career, I spoke to the wife of one of the victims to inform her of this sad news and to convey our sympathies. I promised her that the embassy will provide all the necessary assistance she needs.
Samantala, bistaman adwa na la ring Pilipinong mete king giyera king Israel, napamurin kanura rekomenda ning Philippine Embassy ing repatriation daring kaya katamong kabalen at Chukarid.
Actually, we're not recommending that, no, because these fatalities happened during the day of attack, no, and the situation, the Israeli Defense Forces have already regained, no, the areas attacked by the Hamas, no.
Mandatory repatriation or alert level 4 is called when a country has broken down, when the rule of law and everything about peace and order has broken down and it's descended to a full war throughout the country. That is not the case in the state of Israel.
Base king datos na ning Philippine Embassy, 26 karing 32 Pilipino ang mawawala king Israel, deng may rescue na as of October 11. Metong nema ning mete a subject pa for confirmation kabang at lula pa reng panintunanda. At sula king halos 30,000 deng Pilipino king Israel kabang 130 noman deng Pinoy king Gaza base pa king DFA data. Ako po yung kaya kayong talasuyo, Justin Dizon, ating pusong makabalen.